Hello students, welcome to RG Studio. My name is Rahul. I am a teacher. In this video, I am going to give information regarding Tata Institute of Social Sciences (TISS), which is a premier institute of India. And in this video, I am going to give information regarding Tata Institute of Social Sciences program information for Master of Public Health. So available Master of Public Health programs information will be provided. And for the year 2024-25, that is for the coming year, Tata Institute of Social Sciences will use Common University Entrance Test CUET PG score for admissions to its various postgraduate programs. So for Master of Public Health, Hospital Management, and for other postgraduate programs, Tata Institute of Social Sciences will use CUET PG score. And I want to give information that students who are preparing for TISS, CUET PG and other university and institutes Master of Public Health entrance exams like AIIMS, JIPMER, NIMHANS, IIPH, Pune University, Lucknow University, Rajiv Gandhi Health University, Kaloji Narayan University of Health Sciences, and for all other university and institutes which conducts public health, hospital management and other competitive exams. And for this, if they want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF notes, so they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exams, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information for important videos and get the information for various admissions and jobs. So here in this video, I am going to give information regarding Tata Institute of Social Sciences. And in Tata Institute of Social Sciences, in its Mumbai campus, there is a School of Health System Studies, Mumbai campus, and this provides courses for Master of Hospital Administration (MHA), Master of Public Health, Health Administration, Master of Public Health, Health Policy, Economics and Finance, MPH HPEF, Master of Public Health Social Epidemiology, MPH SC. So in this video, I am going to give information for these three Master of Public Health courses. So first is Master of Public Health, Health Administration. So in view details, we can check the details. So admissions, Tata Institute of Social Sciences, PG programs, and this year, as I told earlier, Tata Institute of Social Sciences will use Common University Entrance Test CUET PG score, and for CUET PG registration may start in January 2024 and CUET PG test will be in March 2024. So here first available program for Master of Public Health is Master of Public Health, Health Administration. Location Mumbai, School of Health System Studies, intake 39. So here 39 seats are there, and its description is given. TISS is a pioneer in health and hospital administration programs in the country and continues to remain as an innovator in curriculum and delivery. The Master of Public Health, Health Administration program MPHHA develops professional managers and administrators for the health services sector. The health services sector has grown enormously over the past few decades in a highly diversified manner. The government sector in primary care and in hospitals, the not-for-profit or voluntary sector in health care, health insurance, health information systems, and all of these sectors need capable administrators and analysts. This sector is likely to grow even further in the coming years, providing employment to a significant proportion of the workforce. This program includes taught courses, 3 internship and a research project. The program is designed to be completed within 2 years but has a provision to complete over a maximum period of 5 years from the date of registration. Graduates of this program have been offered managerial position in national and international healthcare organization and projects, both in government and in the healthcare industry. Some opt to work with not-for-profit organization and community-based programs. The skills they acquire include the technical skills required for designing, planning, implementing monitoring and evaluation of healthcare programs and projects, and the people skills required for working in and leading a team of professionals. It also orients the student to micro issues relevant to health policy and programming in the country. In the past, students have been employed by key national organizations such as the National Health System Resource Center (NHR), NHSRC, or State Health Resource Center of the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, the National AIDS Control Organization, and other national and national health programs such state health societies and major voluntary organizations such as Care India, Catholic Relief Service, and Aga Khan Health Services India. Some are also absorbed into United Nations organizations such as UNFPA and international health projects supported by organizations like the World Bank, WHO, and DFID. In recent years, they are also finding positions in the IT and the health insurance sectors. So distribution of credit hours. Here distribution of credit hours are given in information regarding the syllabus which will be taught in 2 years. And next is fees and other charges, tuition fee, examination fee, and other charges. So I am giving its total fee for 2 years is 1,45,000. So 1,45,000 is the total fees of 2 years. So first program information has been given. Now I am going to give you information regarding the second, Master of Public Health. First is Master of Public Health Administration, which information I gave recently. The next program is Master of Public Health, Health Policy, Economics and Finance, MPH HPEF. So it's in view details. We can check its details. This is program Master of Public Health, Health Policy, Economics and Finance, MPH HPEF. Location is Mumbai. School is School of Health System Studies. Intake 23. So 23 seats are there. Its description is given. So I am giving information regarding description so that you can also get the information where students can find jobs after this program. So description: health is critical to human well-being and to the growth and productivity of the national economy. Health policy concerns range from the impact of policies of all sectors on health to policies that govern the organization of healthcare services. Health systems across the South Asian and African regions confront challenges such as the need to mobilize investment for health, improve social accountability of health services, set health care priorities, plan for health equity, and make appropriate technological choices for low resource settings, improve on the legal and ethical framework of health care, and build better governance. All this calls for evidence-based policy making and a good competence in health economics, the financing of health care, and in designing and managing healthcare institutions. Globalization and trade in health services and health commodities also pose new challenges and provide new opportunities. This innovative Master of Public Health in Health Policy, Economics and Finance, MPH HPEF, is a response to the limited institutional capacity in India and Southeast Asia for making and interrogating health policy and creating more money for health and more health for the money. The program has been created in collaboration with the London School of Economics and Political Science, LSE. The program will have an international focus and teaching would cover literature from across the globe with specific focus on Southeast Asia and India. In a 4-semester, 2 years intensive program consisting of theory courses, 1 internship, a 18-week field practicum and research dissertation, the combination of a strong taught component and extensive mentored fieldwork would enable learners to develop a sound knowledge base as well as professional skill enhancement. The degree is awarded after completion of all programs requirements, which is designed to be completed within the 2 years, but has a provision to complete over a maximum period of 5 years from the date of registration. The skills developed are multidisciplinary and include critical policy analysis, the preparation of policy briefs and program strategies, financial analysis, health economics and health care planning. The graduates are finding employment in a range of sectors including government, public health departments, international health agencies, health management organizations, healthcare consultancies and health resource center. And now information regarding the syllabus for 2 years are given. Distribution of credit hours, so this can be checked in website. So year detailed credit, so these all will be taught in 2 years. And it's the fee structure. Total fees for 2 years is 1,39,000. So 1,39,000 is the fees for 2 years. And the next program available for Master of Public Health is Master of Public Health Social Epidemiology, MPHSE. So in this way, three Master of Public Health programs are available here. First is Master of Public Health Health Administration. Second is Master of Public Health Health Policy, Economics and Finance, MPHSPEF. And third is Master of Public Health Social Epidemiology, MPHSE. So its details can be checked. This program is Master of Public Health Social Epidemiology, MPHSE. Location Mumbai. School of Health System Studies, intake 28. Now its description is given. The Master of Public Health in Social Epidemiology program aims to train students for a career in public health. The study of public health is the study of the health of populations, and it includes understanding the social and environmental determinants of health and disease, prevention of disease and promotion of good health, and the organization of healthcare services that is responsive to needs and accessible to all. This program is designed to orient the student towards a conceptual understanding of current public health challenges and impart the skills required for developing such needed evidence-based planning, strengthening the state health systems and providing technical support to the implementation of national health programs. Graduate will be capable of undertaking meaningful research for supporting public health policy and planning for the effective implementation of public health programs. The MPH degree is designed to be completed in 2 years, 4 semesters, but has a provision to complete over a maximum period of 5 years from the date of registration. The program includes taught courses, 3 internship and a research project. The graduate of the MPH program have been employed by key national organizations like the National AIDS Control Organization, Health System Resource Center of the Ministry of Health at state or national level, in major voluntary organizations such as Care India, Catholic Relief Service and Aga Khan Health Services India, or with the growing number of corporate social responsibility programs. A number of graduates have opted to work with global public health institutions of the United Nations, World Health Organization or World Bank, and or have gone to join a doctoral program in public health where they become full-time researchers and teachers in this discipline. So now distribution of credit hours in year first details credits. So information regarding what will be taught in 2 years is given. These all subjects will be taught in 2 years, and the total fee structure for 2 years is 1,39,000. So 1,39,000 is the total course fee. So in this video I have given information regarding Tata Institute of Social Sciences available Master of Public Health programs. So here 3 public health programs are available in master level. Master of Public Health, Health Administration, Master of Public Health, Health Policy, Economics and Finance, MPH, HPEF, Master of Public Health, Social Epidemiology, MPHSC. So details regarding these programs have been given, and I want to give you information that students who are preparing for Tata Institute of Social Sciences, which will use Common University Entrance Test CUET PG scorecard for the upcoming admissions. So students who are preparing for CUET PG and other university and institutes like AIIMS, JIPMER, NIMHANS, IIPH, Pune University, Lucknow University, and for all other university and institutes, public health, hospital management, and other competitive exams. And for this, if they want online, offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exam, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information for various admissions and jobs. Thanks for watching this video.